today we are buying a fridge. We're in the store and we're buying a fridge and a stove. We already bought it. Let me show you. We're buying this one and the one right at the end. Yeah, we're shopping for a fridge and a stove. But I will show you guys when it gets home. Yep. They're doing the receipt. He's writing the receipt there. I'm so happy I'm getting my fridge and my stove. I'm excited. We had to shop a lot. Shop around. But we got a good guy to come with us and we're now getting our fridge and our stove. But I'll show you guys when he gets home. Look at the store. We have a lot of fridge.
Yes, picture or video. Yeah. You want to evidence.
This one.
Yeah.
Evidence. I want this one, and then hey guys, I am back home. Our fridge is home. You're supposed to plug it in for 2 hours and a half and then don't open it. And so we're waiting for 2 hours. It's been about an hour now because my husband came home with the fridge and the stove and I went shopping with the driver, who is so sweet, and he took me all over the place. Let me show you guys my kitchen. Look at our shopping. Look at our shopping, guys. Look everywhere on the floor, every single way. I went to this place called Saba Saba. This is the cheapest market you can go to. The prices are incredible. I don't know. I was missing something, guys. I found the right market. My driver was with me, and he's amazing. He's there like haggling prices for me.
Okay.
So that's like, I got the best deals today. So I'm gonna show you guys a few things of what I got a little bit later. Okay guys, first thing on the agenda is to spray the entire house with this very large mosquito spray. Now, I am not, you guys know me, I don't like chemicals, but I have to do this. Why? Mosquitoes are crazy terrible in this place. And there's something called malaria, and I don't want to catch malaria. And for the past, since we came here, mosquitoes have been crazy. The first couple of days it was not too bad, but after being here for weeks, it's just like the mosquitoes are crazy. They're buzzing, and some nights they prevent me from sleeping. So I have to do this, and I even have a mosquito net, but still they buzz around, you know. So we are gonna spray this. So you have to spray in the room, then close all the rooms, and go outside for a walk, and then come back. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go. So you're just supposed to spray a little bit, not a lot. Oopsie. So we're gonna put the light on here. So let me see, it's not working. Spray the first room. Spray the first room. This door is broken. Cannot close. Okay. Closing that. Now I'm going to spray the master bedroom. This thing is always a switch. Alright guys, you get the idea. So I spray all the bedrooms. Now we're gonna go outside because inhaling that stuff is not good. So yeah, we're gonna go outside for about 20 minutes and then we're gonna come back. Okay, you all, I'm coming back to finish up this video because let me give you my rendition about spraying this thing in our house. Remember I told you we're gonna go outside and then come back 20 minutes because we sprayed this in our house for mosquito. I would never spray this thing in my house again. Spraying this thing in my house was a very terrible experience for all of us inside the house. I started wheezing, my husband started wheezing, my daughter was coughing, I was coughing, my son was coughing. It was a terrible experience for all of us. My husband was so upset and he said, "Why did you think of spraying this thing in the house? Don't you know?" Because you know we don't use these things. But guys, I was so like, mosquitoes were really bothering us. Even the kids were complaining about the mosquitoes and you could even see the mosquitoes flying in the house. So I just wanted to get rid of all the mosquitoes because I know friends who use this thing, and I was even at a resort and at night they would come and bring that to spray in the rooms for mosquitoes. And when I was at the resort, I never used it, right? Because I said, no, I'm not going to use it. But I don't know whatever inspired me to use that thing in my house. It was a terrible experience. So we sprayed it that night. We were all like, I don't know, it was just coughing and it made our chest hurt and our chest were tight and, you know, yeah, it wasn't a pleasant, it was an unpleasant experience. We stayed outside for hours to air out the house. We opened all the windows and yeah. And so I will never spray it in my house again. Sorry for the company who make that for your product. Maybe some people, it's okay with them, but for us, yeah, it's not going to work. So yeah, that was my experience spraying this thing in our house. I got my husband all riled up and upset. But anyways, you live and you learn. So now what we do is we spray the drain pipes with this because mosquitoes go in there. So the drain pipes are outside. So we spray the drain pipe now. And then we have like servant quarters in the back. We spray that because in there's lots of mosquitoes. And then in the evening time, we go around the house in areas where we know they like to cluster and we spray there. And since we've been doing that, the mosquitoes, there's 1 or 2 mosquitoes, but not as much as before because I'm telling you, we were just miserable and we were not sleeping well because there's so much mosquitoes inside. But I want to show you guys something else that we bought for mosquitoes, which is working excellent. So I was at the market and this is one of the market hauls. that I did because I was at the market and I see it says mosquito incense. So there's two kinds. There's this one and there's this one. I think it's the same company that makes them, right? But anyways, I bought this instead. And since we've been lighting it inside the house, we haven't had that much issues with so much mosquitoes. We have one or two, but not as much. Oh my gosh. We can finally sleep in peace. And I brought these things with me from Canada. This little incense. And it comes with this 3 little thingy. So you can put the incense in here. You put the incense in here and then you light the top and then you just put it inside the tray and you have your incense. So I use it to burn just regular incense in my house, but now I've been using them also to burn this at night to prevent mosquitoes. And this actually kills the mosquitoes because I get up when I'm sweeping the floor, I see mosquitoes on the floor. It actually kills them, so I'm happy. So you have these little ones. The incense goes in there in that hole, and this one has many, so you can put as much as, see what you can put there. You put 9. You can put 9 incense sticks at a time inside there, but I just put 2 at a time. I don't need 9. And that's basically that. And then this one just holds 1. And I have another one, the regular incense burner that I just push inside. And I also use that too, but that's for my regular incense. So yes, guys, I just want to tell you the story of the of me spraying that thing in my house. Yeah, and I did promise you guys that I was gonna make a grocery haul that day, but anyways, I decided to not do the grocery haul. We didn't buy lots of stuff. We just bought some oranges, and the oranges are like 1,000 each. We bought some potatoes, some rice. Rice is very cheap here, like 2,400 for 1 kg of rice. We bought some rice and some beans. Oh, we bought some meat, like beef. What else did we buy? And some vegetables, some onions and carrots and stuff. So that was just like a little haul that we made. And yeah, that was the haul because I promised you guys to tell you guys about the haul or to show you guys the haul. But it wasn't like any great haul, like great big haul like I showed you guys before. And all those things were like 500 or 1,000. Yeah, we bought vegetables too. The vegetables are 500 shillings. So anything that's like 1,000 shillings is like 56 Canadian cents. Anything it's like 2,000 is like $1.12 Canadian. If you buy something for 10,000, it's like $5.58. Now the Canadian dollar goes up and down. Some days it's 2,000, some days it's 2,600. So it goes high, sometimes it's low. So it depends. When it's low, it's like 1,900 or 2,000 per dollar. So like 1 Canadian dollar is gonna be like 2,000 shillings, or it's gonna be 2,600 shillings, or it's gonna be 2,800 shillings. So the Canadian dollar goes up and down, up and down. So it depends on the day that you're exchanging or what you're buying. So sometimes you're gonna see me putting up prices. So when I do the conversion, I do the conversion based on the price that day. Okay. So if you see a very low conversion, that means that day the Canadian dollar is high. If you see like a higher conversion than after conversion rate, then that day the Canadian dollar is very low. So yeah, that's basically that. But anyways, things here are not very, very expensive. You can manage. If you live in a very, you're a frugal person, you live very well. If you know how to spend your money and you know to budget, you will also live very well. So anyways, that's the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. And I just want to say welcome to all the new subscribers. And go back and watch all my videos from Canada. I used to live in Canada. I am now living in Tanzania. So go back and watch all my Canadian videos. I do countryside videos and cooking and making of natural products. So keep watching and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao, and stay positive.